Hey everyone, I'm Christine Hopkins and I'm a wine consultant for Scout and Cellar. And really quick, I want to give you a sneak peek of what is in my October Scout Circle Wine Club. So our wine club starts with 4 bottles at $99, and then we have 6 bottle options and 12 bottle options. I like to do the mixed 6 bottle set, and then I supplement that with some additional wines that are my favorites for the month. So keep this in mind. If you're like me, you probably, like at least when my boyfriend's in town, we easily go through a bottle because while we're cooking, we have a glass of wine, and then I'm a heavy pourer, and then we have more wine with dinner, and so there's a bottle. So it's always nice to be stocked, and I really like knowing what I'm drinking. So Scout Circle Wine Club has been a wonderful, wonderful option. So for the October set, I really like the 6 bottle mix. I may shift to all red in November and December, but right now I have the 6 bottle mix. So let me tell you really quickly what is in this wine club. So it's going to have 6 whites. This month it has the Osso Pardo Rosé. It has the Contadilla Terre Pinot Gris. We also have I know we had a Chardonnay. Here it is. We also have a Legato Chardonnay. So those are the 3 whites. And for the 3 reds, we have a Vente Malbec coming from Chile. We have the Scout and Cellar Zinfandel the Fieldhouse Zinfandel coming from California. And then we also have the Dove Hunt Dog Cabernet. So just a really good mix of wines. One thing that is new with our wines is typically we have basic information. Well, now we're taking it a step further, and we're including a QR code on the back of the wine bottles, and it actually gives you a soil to sip report with a lot more information about the wine. With this one, we're even using recycled paper now on our labels, and it says Scout Circle exclusive here. So in the past, we had done a little gold label to tell you it was a club wine, but now we're printing it right onto the label. So there you go. So if you'd like more information about being a club member, let me know. And if you'd like more information about being a wine consultant, I'm always looking for fellow wine lovers who are interested in diversifying their income a little bit. Thanks so much, and cheers.